Exceptional design in every detail, from the elegantly sculpted exterior to the luxurious and comfortable interior. Buick's quiet tuning technology, acoustic laminated glass, triple sealed doors, and refined chassis dynamics are designed to block or absorb sound and vibration. The result? A soothing calmness. When it comes to the driver, Verano makes you the center of attention. The high-resolution, full-color voice-activated touchscreen allows you to be in control, while the 10 standard airbags and full-function traction control puts your mind at ease. The 2014 Verano even has a strong, unitized body structure and high-strength steel for enhanced strength and crash protection. On top of design and safety, there's also performance and fuel efficiency. Your Verano will hit the road with an EPA estimated 21 mpg city and 32 mpg highway. The 2014 Buick Verano, a thoughtful take on luxury.